ambassadors, government ministers, my lords, my ladies, and gentlemen, good evening. My name is Maseko, and I come from Swaziland, Africa's last absolute monarch. My late husband, human rights lawyer, used the law as a tool to fight this horrible dictator. Thulani was committed to social justice. He was committed to fight for democracy in Swaziland. Like many amongst you today, you are here alive. You're with your families. Unfortunately, I had to pick up my husband's brain mass. I had to pick up his skull. And my two young boys, we had to try and resuscitate him back to life. He was cold. For merely seeking justice, the horrible dictator shot him dead in front of me and my two young boys. I am humbled to stand before you today and very grateful to Bill for this prestigious award. And in that shallow grave, my dearest husband, Thulani, the world remembers you. But I'm also receiving this award, and I want you to allow me to launch the Justice for Thulani campaign, where we will seek accountability for his death. And I also want to plead with you to support and stand with us in solidarity as the Thulani Maseko Foundation to continue to seek for democracy in Swaziland, to continue to fight for those honest civilians who continue to walk with bullets in their bodies.